Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, folks, welcome back. We're looking at centimeters to meter metric conversions. Let's start off with the identity first of all. What is the identity? So we say that, oops, need to get a brush. We say that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now we change centimeters to meters. The previous video was meters, centimeters. So opposite of timesing by 100, if we go forward, is to divided by 100. Okay. Right. So let's have a look at some questions. So if I give you 300 centimeters, and I say if you change that into meters, what do we need to do? We need to divide it by
100.
Now, when you divide a whole number by 100 and you have zeros at the end of this whole number, if you got 2 zeros or more, then we can knock the 2 zeros off. So that gives us a final answer of
3 meters.
3 meters. That's a nice and straightforward question. If I give you 415,000 centimeters, change that into meters, we do the same thing.
Oh, I know.
We divide it by 100. We knock off 1, 2 zeros, gives an answer of
4,150
excellent meters. That's not the easy questions. So we have now in the next question, say we have, hold this pen the right way. We have 215 centimeters. Change that into meters. And in this particular question, we don't have any zeros to knock off, do we?
No.
So Rian, what do we do then? Rian, what do we do? We put a decimal point at the end of the number. That's where decimal point belongs anyway. Decimal point, we artificially put it in there, and then you move it 2 places to the left. How do you do? Copy the 2 down, keyword copy, copy the 1 down, copy the 5 down, drop the decimal point in, and the final answer is 2.15 meters. Are we happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, and the next question we have so Anam, how would we do this question? Do we remove the zeros?
No.
Because we don't have enough. They're going to be at the end 2 zeros or more.
Yeah.
So it's only got 1. So what technique do we do then instead, Anam? We put the decimal point in where?
At
the end of the number. And then which direction do we move in? We move it 2 places to the left. And then what we do? We copy down, drop, copy down, copy. Now, look at this number here. See if anybody can spot in the class if there's any unnecessary zeros.
Oh,
Okay, go on, Mr. Ryan.
the 1 by the 6.
This one or that one?
The right side.
Okay, excellent. This is unnecessary.
So
So we have 40.6 is the same as 40.60. It's the same thing. But that's an unnecessary zero. Okay, let's do one more example for good measure, and then I'm going to give you some questions to do. Are we happy with that, Adam?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have Arwa, can you lead us to this question, please? We have to do what first of all? We have to divide by
100.
Now, we don't have any zeros to get rid of, so we have to put a
Decimal point
at the number. That's where decimal point lives anyway. So which direction do we move in now, Alva?
left.
Left. How many places?
2.
2. 1, 2. What do we do next? We have to copy the numbers down. Copy, copy, drop, copy, copy, finished. Right, here comes your questions now. Come on, start it straight away. Do quietly. I want to see the full working out. So there's your questions that we need to get done. Okay, let's have a quick look at these questions now. Okay, 80,000 centimeters, we're changing them into meters. What do we need to do? We need to divide it by 100. So we knock off 2 zeros. The answer is 800 meters. This next one, we divide that by 100. We got 2 zeros, that gives you 99 meters. Divide that by 100.
4.6.
Now you're going to put decimal point in, we move it back a bit to get Anam.
4.6 meters.
Is your name Anand?
So divide it by 100. Move decimal point back, that gives you
5.99.
5.99 meters. So we divide this one by 100. Put decimal point at the end, 1, 2, that gives you
0.8.
0.8 meters. We divide this one by 100. So we knock off 2 zeros that we have available.
425 meters.
And that's the end of this video.